Good morning. Let me ask you something. Do you know what winter has left behind inside your building? We all focus on colds, flu, the extra cleaning during winter, but the real issue at this time of year isn't just the illnesses, it's residue build-up. Salt and grit from foot traffic can damage your floor seals, moisture sits in corners and under matting, radiators push dust into circulation, high-touch areas take more wear than we realise. What I often see in February is buildings that look clean but are slowly deteriorating because winter contaminants haven't been properly removed. So now's the time of year to deep clean your floor edges, really get into the corners, check the seal integrity around your floor coverings and have the edges resealed if necessary. Review your matting systems and reset the hygiene standards before spring humidity rises. Radiator cleaning is often overlooked, so remove the radiator covers to clean the dust, the build-up and the objects that have accumulated over the term. Cleaning isn't just about how a building looks. Done properly, it's how long it lasts, how long the assets last, and taking care of the things that you don't see. If you ignore the residue, wear and tear, it quickly becomes a repair, and it can be an expensive one at that. I hope this has been helpful. If so, please share with someone it may help, and hit like if it's been useful to you. That's it for now. Have a great week, and I will see you next time.